car industry portrays women quite unfairly. You always see a man driving the car in the adverts, and I feel like it doesn't really represent who I am as a woman.
I feel like the way that the car company portrays women in a way that we don't know our stuff.
Going into a dealership can sometimes, I feel, maybe as a woman be a little bit intimidating. I mean, it's kind of a bit of a boys' club.
Just because I'm a girl, it doesn't mean I don't want a car with power.
With, I guess, a smaller car, I'm concerned it's not going to be as safe as a bigger car when I'm driving.
All the big cars these days have all the special features, like the reverse parking sensors. Like, why can't the small cars have that?
I want my phone screen up on my car screen so that it all just works together perfectly.
Dream scenario for test driving a car would just to be walk out my front door and jump in and have a go. It'd be great.